Good morning students. Once again I welcome you all on online classes of general knowledge. Students, as you all know, our final course has been started and today I will tell you about movie magic, chapter number 33, page number 52. I will solve the exercise also. So students, on page number 52, magic movie, a large number of movies are released in India every year, as you all know about that. They are getting more and more appreciation. If the movie is good, people used to give likes and appreciation that this movie is good. In terms of these presentation, they have to go through the series of changes before assuming its present status also. Now, write your answers. It is on page number C, on page number 52. You have to fill the answers. I will tell you the answers. You can fill in your GK book. What do you know about the Indian cinema? I think all of you know about the Indian cinema and the movies also. So, first one is it was the first cinema hall of India built in Kolkata in 1907. Now, which one is the answer? I will tell you the answer. You can write down in the blank. It was the first cinema hall of India. When it is built? It is built in 1907 in Kolkata. And the answer is Elphinstone Picture Palace. This is the answer. Write down answer number 1. And second is, it was the first silent feature film made in India in 1913 by Dhandiraj Govind Phalke. And the answer is Raja Harish Chandra. This is your second answer. Third is, it was the first full-length talkies film made by A.M. Irani, which was released in Mumbai on 14th March 1931. And the answer is Alam Ara. Alam Ara. This is your third answer. Fourth is, it was the first multicolor animated film of India made in 1935. It was processed in Germany. And the answer is Lafanga 4. Land. Lafanga Langur. 5. It was the first film with playback songs made in 1935 by New Theatre. And the answer is Bhagya Chakra. Bhagya Chakra. Sixth answer. It was the first CinemaScope black and white film made by Guru Dutt in 1959. And the answer is Kagaz Ke Phool. Kagaz Ke Phool. 7. It was the 3D film made in Malayalam in 1984. And the answer is My Dear Kutti Chathan. 8. And the last answer, it was the first talkies film made in English by Himanshu Rai in 1933. It was shot in England and answer is Karma. K-A-R-M-A, Karma. Now this chapters end here. Did you know Satyajit Ray was the only film director who was awarded by Bharat Ratna. In which year? In 1992. Now, next chapter, chapter number 34. World's impressive stadiums. Now here are some famous and impressive stadiums. First is write down the answer in your book. It is a football stadium situated in London. It includes a 134-meter high arch. Name that stadium. It is Wembley. First is Wembley. Second, it is the biggest football stadium in Europe and it is situated in Barcelona. Answer is Camp Nou. Third, it is situated in Arlington, Texas, USA, and is home to the NFL. The answer is AT&T. AT&T. Fourth is, it is one of the best cricket grounds in Australia. Its totally capacity is over 95,000 and the answer is MCG. Fourth answer is MCG. Fifth is, it is situated in Munich, German and is a football stadium. It was opened in 2005 with full color changing exterior. And the answer is Allianz Arena. Sixth, it is a cricket stadium in Kolkata and its totally capacity is more than 90,000 and the answer is Eden Gardens. Eden Gardens. So students, now chapter number 33 and 34 ends here. You learn this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.